All right, back with the Bronco in all her glory. Today we're gonna check out this exhaust, see what we gotta do. Beautiful tailplate. Let's get under here behind the back tire. Looks like it's being held on with some bicycle brake cables. That's always good for extra stopping power. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Alright, now we're in front of the tire. We're gonna get under here and take a look at her. Yeah, probably could use some new shocks too, but we're just gonna concentrate on the exhaust. I like how they have this so flexible because of the, you know, four-wheel drive and all. Gotta maintain the flexibility, and we don't need to hook it up to the mount. It causes drag if it's hooked up there, so you don't want to do that. Let's follow this along, just all over the place. We're at the driver's side, tailpipe. Followed it up to the muffler. I went over to the passenger side. You can see that, and then it swings back up over here. And there's one of those O2 sensor things. They got these long ass headers on it, which, yeah, good stuff. I don't know if you can see. It's a horrible video, my bad. And then they were kind enough when they put this long header on to, I don't know, there's some kind of something that goes here. What's it called? And I think if I go back, I can see where the other side of it is supposed to go right there. What is that thing called? Oh yeah, fucking drive shaft. Let's take the drive shaft out to put some long ass Chinese headers on it. I love it. Just see how loose this thing is. It's incredible. And that's the driver's side. Okay, so now we're under on the passenger side. See this great work. I mean, it's just incredible. I'd like to mention that they really screwed up and they put a hanger here. So it's not nearly as flexible as the other side. I wish they would have kept the uniformity of the flexibility, but it makes up for it down here where they connect the muffler to the straight pipe here. It's nice and how can I show you how well connected this is? And, you know, I could just stick my fingers in there, no big deal. So that definitely makes up for the flexibility of when we're in four-wheel drive, and you know, so no cracks or anything will happen. Keep it nice and sturdy with the flexibility. A little more flexibility here. So I've located two O2 sensors, but we're missing the third because they put dual exhaust on it with some amazing quarter inch headers. Oh, they're tiny little, just horrible. I don't know what. This is just amazing. Yeah, I'm not sure what the heck they did there. They just drilled a hole and stuck an O2 sensor in there. But yep, that's the next project. Exhaust. Figure out the O2 sensor situations. Figure out where this leak is coming from. Transmission. Yeah, transmission. And that is Bronco exhaust in all her glory. Look how low that hangs down. I mean, that's some kind of, let's see. So this is eye level with the bottom of the truck. I mean, just look how low that hangs. It's so sad. All right, well, making a shopping list. Some new parts on the way.